CucinaPro Multi Baker Deluxe. Next up is quite a unique cake pop maker. While the CucinaPro Multi Baker Deluxe is a cake pop maker, it really is more than just that. This is the ultimate utility for baking up a perfect batch of cake pops, and when you feel like having something salty instead, whip up a batch of meatballs, or switch out the tray for one that is more convenient for baking up some sandwiches or perhaps a few pancakes for breakfast. The CucinaPro Multi Baker Deluxe is one of the most versatile products that you are going to find on the market, and the price of the product is certainly to your advantage. At just under $40, you get a complete kit with 3 different exchangeable sheets that gives you the power to bake and cook a large variety of treats as well as food. The 3 skillets that come included in the kit can easily be exchanged for the main one fitted in the machine. The machine is powered by a power adapter that comes included with the kit. The product is perfect for both baking and grilling, and even comes with a convenient range of recipes that you can get started with the moment you have unboxed your cake pop maker.